So here is a man whose name is Mr. Yati Narasimhanand, who spread hate speech and then went to jail and then got out on bail and violated all those bail conditions and then spread hate again. So this is some sort of a cycle which is repeating. Hate, arrest, bail, hate, arrest, bail. Who is fueling this never-ending cycle of hate? Let's put that to a discussion. Mahesh Verma, I want to come to you now. Pawan Kheda, spokesperson of the Congress Party. Ajay Gautam, who's a Dharma Guru, as well as Abhishek Sudhir. Thank you very much. I want to begin with you, Mahesh Verma. Can you tell me, why is it that there was a situation? Ajay Gautam, मैं आपके पास आना चाहता हूं. Ajay Gautam, you tell me, why do you think that we are in a situation where you have to come on television to defend an act of hate?
No, I am not defending any act
I mean,
of
he is violating bail conditions. What did his bail conditions say? That you will not spread hate, you will not attend such events, you will not intimidate people. Journalists were intimidated there. He spread hate and he attended an event which, by the way, was illegal. The police said, no, this event is not possible. You cannot host this event. Why should he not go behind bars again and his bail cancelled? Pandit Ajay Gautam.
Sanket brother, first of all, I am not defending any hate speech at here. It is very clear.
Are you going to condemn?
But I would like to say, please permit me, please allow me.
That Yati Narasimhanand is put behind bars for the hate that he has spread?
No. Yati, what about the Yati Narasimhanand? Yati Narasimhanand is a victim of the system. Is a victim of the system.
Did I hear you correctly? Victim.
Since 2012, number of hate speech has been delivered. No action has been taken against the accused person.
What are you saying, Mr. Gautam?
Never the justice has delivered in the past.
What justice? Here is a man who is openly calling, he's made a call to arms. He's saying, you want to know what all he's saying.
In running days, brother, we are in running days.
If a Muslim becomes Prime Minister in the next 20 years, 50% Hindus will be converted. And he's a victim,
and
according
the
to you.
first time in the history. Yes, what he said. Do you know why the Yati Narasimhanand has made these statements for what reason?
No, I don't know. Whatever reason is, you don't tell people to pick up arms.
In the first time of the history, a Muslim was elected as a central home minister, and within a couple of months, 32 Kashmiri Pandits forced to leave the Kashmir when a Muslim has taken the oath.
Oh, come on. Mr. Ajay Gautam, are you trying to tell me that under all the other home ministers, there have not been acts of criminal nature? Or there have not been terrorist attacks? I mean, I don't understand this argument. Mahesh Verma as well as Abhishek Sudhir, very quickly. Mahesh Verma, I want to come to you now. A lot of this has to do with the fact that you allowed this man to operate with impunity. एक सेकंड, पंडित जी रुकिए. रुक जाइए. आपने अपनी बात कह ली. महेश वर्मा, आप मुझे बताइए, अगर आप समय पे एक्शन ले लेते हरिद्वार में, उस समय सरकार किसकी थी? आपकी. अभी भी आप ही की है. या फिर दिल्ली पुलिस यहां पर एक्शन ले लेती बाय नॉट. आप ये सोचिए, एक आदमी आया, इवेंट की परमिशन नहीं है, फ्लेक्स बैनर लग गया, माइक लग गया, टेंट लग गया, भाषण हो गए इतने सारे लोगों के, महापंचायत, एंड इवन नाउ इज नॉट बीन अरेस्टेड. Is he operating with impunity because you are not acting or choosing not to act? महेश वर्मा.
मैं संकेत जी, मैं कहता हूं कि इस देश में अब तक नफरती बोल के लिए सबसे कोई त्वरित और तेज गति से अगर कोई एक्शन हुआ तो वो उत्तराखंड में हुआ था. और मैं ये आपको दावे के साथ कह सकता हूं और ये प्रमाण के साथ आपको दिखा सकता हूं. आप ये नहीं कह सकते हैं कि हमने वहां तब और अब तब भी.
Can I tell you, the thing is that this is very recent memory, and I do remember these things. I remember debating on a number of occasions right here on this channel, जहां पर सवाल के बाद सवाल पूछा जा रहा था, and that man was not arrested for almost a month.
सुनिए,
उसकी गिरफ्तारी नहीं हुई थी, मामला अदालतों में गया.
अरे साहब, गिरफ्तारी उसकी हुई 3 दिन के बाद हुई और बड़े सख्ताई के साथ हुई, और जहां वो पकड़ा गया, वो मध्य प्रदेश के पास पकड़ा गया, और वहां हुई, पुलिस जाके वहां से पकड़ के लाई और ये सब चीज हुआ। और अगर यही हमारा इंटेंशन होता तो अब भी हम कार्रवाई नहीं करते और तब भी नहीं करते। और इसके लिए अगर आप ये कह रहे हैं कि बीजेपी जिम्मेवार है तो मैं इसको नहीं मानता।
नहीं, मेरा ये कहना है कि बाय नॉट एक्टिंग, बाय नॉट एक्टिंग इमीडिएटली
इस देश में इस देश में अब तक नफरती बोल जितने भी रहे हैं उनकी हिस्ट्री और ज्योग्राफी निकाल के देख लीजिए, आपको पता चल जाएगा कि आखिर में ऐसी चीजों के लिए
अभिषेक सुधीर, वेरी क्विकली, अभिषेक सुधीर,
लोगों के लिए
अभिषेक सुधीर रिस्पॉन्स,
उनके बारे में भी आपको चर्चा करना चाहिए।
अभिषेक सुधीर
जरूरी है।
Abhishek Sudhir's response. I can only say that the Delhi police says that there was no permission given to the event, and yet you have a situation where he has not been arrested again. अगर आप जो बोल रहे होते और अभी अरेस्ट हो जाता, then I would have had no legs to stand on, Mr. Verma.
Sanket, rule 101 of the CRPC when it comes to the grant of bail. If the accused who's out on bail violates his bail conditions, his bail must be cancelled immediately. Sanket, take 3 cases. Monu Mishra, you have Yati Narsingh Anand, and you have the accused in the bully buy deals who are all out on bail on humanitarian grounds. Pragya Thakur is out on bail on humanitarian grounds. Siddiq Kapan, Umar Khalid, where are they? They are languishing in jail. Sudha Bharadwaj languished in jail for 2 years for taking part in Bhima Koregaon.
So if bail is the norm and jail the exception, it should be universally applicable.
Bail is the norm if you're Hindu. Jail is the rule if you're Muslim. That's
the view. This is the breaking view. This is the breaking view of Abhishek Sudhir. What's your response, Mahesh Verma?
No,
धर्म के आधार पर डिसाइड हो रहा है कि किसको बेल मिले. But by the way, the bail is granted by courts, not governments.
Exactly. अगर ये अभिषेक जी ये बात कर रहे हैं तो इस देश के कोर्ट का अपमान कर रहे हैं. इस देश के विधि और
संविधान में कोई विश्वास Mr. Verma, it's also the power of the argument that is presented by the lawyers.
भाई आप मुझे बोलने दीजिए सर. मैं ये कह रहा हूं कि आज के डेट में एक ही दिन में 2 घटना घटती है. एक घटना पर इतनी चीख पुकार, दूसरे घटना पे मौन पसरा हुआ है. आखिर क्यों? कहाँ है ये इंटेलेक्चुअल गैंग के लोग? कहाँ गए?
नहीं, कौन इंटेलेक्चुअल गैंग? कौन सी बात?
नहीं, वही सहजिल इस्लाम क्या बोल रहा है? गोली मारेंगे गोली.
अरे तो आप अरेस्ट कर लो.
नहीं होगा.
No, one more. आप अरेस्ट कर लो. If you feel that this is hate speech.
जवाब सुनोगे.
My point is, can we not have a situation where Abhishek Sudhir, Ajay Gautam and Mahesh Verma can rise above religion and condemn hate?
Sanket ji, I give you the name
आप
of the
जवाब
10
Mahesh Verma.
Not a single person has been arrested so far.
Mahesh Verma, hate is hate, irrespective of religion.
Exactly.
If a Muslim is spreading hate, arrest him. If a Hindu is spreading hate,
and
arrest
not a
him.
single person has been arrested so far.
75 साल में आपने हेट पैदा किया, नफरत पैदा किया, आपने नरसिंहानंद पैदा
आज की
किया.
बात करिए सर,
वो या
75
बीज बबूल का
नहीं, नरसिंहानंद किसने पैदा किया है?
यही बोलने पैदा किया जो सहजिल इस्लाम बोल रहा है. उस वजह से
महेश जी, do you agree with Ajay Gautam? Do you agree with Ajay Gautam? Ajay Gautam is justifying the hate speech.
आजमगढ़
Do
में
you
आप
agree with Ajay Gautam?
पैदा करेंगे, आप अपराध पैदा करेंगे, आप गोरखपुर टेंपल पे आप अटैक करेंगे और उसके बाद आप कहेंगे
Do you agree with Ajay Gautam? Do you agree with Ajay Gautam's view that the hate speech by Narsinghanand was justified?
उसका डिफेंस करेंगे, उसका बचाव
No,
करेंगे.
Ajay Gautam is saying Yati Narsinghanand, and I actually want to call him Deepak Tyagi. That's his name. Deepak Tyagi is actually a victim, according to Mr. Ajay Gautam.
Sanket ji.
आप तो उनको victim बुला रहे हैं. This is like a brand new chapter.
Sanket ji, I give you the name of the 10% who openly threaten to Hindus, who openly abuse the Hindu god and goddess, who openly abuse
action
the
against
Hindu
them.
religious
That's the
practice.
exact point.
Not a
Action
single
against
person has
everybody.
The
been
point
arrested
is
so far.
anyone, ANYONE, anyone spreading hate, the strong arm of the law has to act. Why is it selective on the basis of religion? That's the point that I'm making.
नहीं,
Equally applicable to
The
everyone.
BJP has
Mahesh
arm twisted
Verma.
the strong arm of the law. The BJP has arm twisted the strong arm of the law.
Okay, Mahesh
Every
Verma, very
institution is
quickly.
compromised.
Mahesh's view. Mr. Verma's view.
मैं ये कह रहा हूं कि जेल भेजना, किसी को गोली से उड़ा देना, किसी की हत्या कर देना, किसी से अदावत में रिवेंज में बदले में कोई कार्रवाई
Okay,
करना.
one moment. Mr. Pawan Kheda, spokesperson of the Congress party, has now joined us. First of all, apologies due to
कि जिन लोगों ने ये पीड़ा 75 साल से देते रहे, जो मुस्लिमों को भड़काते रहे.
My point is, okay, Pawan Kheda, first of all, Pawan Kheda, apologies. I think there was a massive technical problem because of which we couldn't have you in the debate earlier. One moment, the views time for the views of Mr. Pawan Kheda. Mr. Kheda, do you feel that the reason why this vicious cycle has begun of a man who spreads hate, goes to jail, is out on bail, and then spreads hate again? He's operating with impunity. What could be the reason?
The last time when it happened, I'll remind you of Khairlanji, the famous Khairlanji speech of a gentleman called Narendra Modi when he was campaigning in the 2002 election of Gujarat. Hum Panch, Hamare 25. That was his campaign. So, and then he rose to become the Prime Minister of India. वो कपड़ों से पहचान लिए जाते हैं, प्रधानमंत्री के शब्द थे. शमशान कब्रिस्तान, प्रधानमंत्री के शब्द थे. 80% वर्सेस 20%, मुख्यमंत्री उत्तर प्रदेश के शब्द थे. These people get rewarded every time they spread hatred. They become chief ministers or prime ministers or home ministers of India. What do you expect? Why are you blaming this poor Yatinand or whatever his name is, Deepak Tyagi or whatever his name is?
No, if you could come to the, Mr. Kheda, are you trying to say that he is about to join the BJP or working at the behest of BJP?
अरे साहब, ये गोदाम से निकाले जाते हैं. हर बार जब भारतीय जनता पार्टी को लगता है अब अगला चुनाव जीतना है, तैयारी शुरू कर दो, गोदाम से एक आदमी निकाल लाओ. कभी वो गोदाम से आकर शोकेस में बन के प्रधानमंत्री बन जाते हैं आगे चलकर, या मुख्यमंत्री बन जाते हैं, या गृह मंत्री बन जाते हैं. ये गोदाम में इनके भरे हुए इस तरह के लोग. डोंट ब्लेम पीपल फ्रॉम द गोडाउन. जो कठपुतलियों के धागे जिनके हाथ में है, उनकी बात करिए आप. पहली बार नहीं हो रहा है.
Okay, quick response.
स्वामी जी यहाँ बैठे हैं.
There's a view coming in from Ajay Gautam. He wants to respond. Right to reply. He wants to respond to Mr. Kheda.
What the Rajiv Gandhi said.
What the
Rajiv Gandhi said.
जब वो बाहर निकला था,
What the Rajiv Gandhi said on 1st of November 1984. कि बड़ा पेड़ गिरता है तो जमीन हिलती है और जमीन ऐसी हिली कि सिखों का नरसंहार हो गया, जेनोसाइड कर दिया पूरी
Okay, one by one. Gentlemen, one by one.
दिल्ली के अंदर.
ये आपने
This is the fact ना. You are abusing and you are alleging Narendra Modi.
Okay, hard stop on this. Hard stop on this show. Hard stop. Thank you very much, gentlemen. I've run out of time. Thank you very much. Hard stop on the show. We heard everyone's views. But the point is that here is a man who is operating with impunity. He tries to believe and tell his followers is some sort of a freedom fighter that he is breaking the law. Can we allow it in this country is the big question. Good night and goodbye.